Hi, Marina. Looking forward to going over week 2 with you. So let's take a look. All right, heading into week 2. You have all the great information in the course introduction and week 1. Starting off here, start off with your week 2 objectives. I love this. This is very friendly, very personable, getting them excited about some calculus, right? Uh, and telling them what they're going to be doing. So it looks like you'll be embedding a video here. And then you're giving them 2 attempts to complete the quiz. There's only one question and you will have 10 minutes to complete it. The question is similar to the problems you saw. Sounds good. And all looks really good there. Another video will go there. Another quiz will go there. And again, it's just that one question. So you're really keeping them with that regular pace there. And then you have them watch a video as well as do a discussion about it. And it looks pretty good. You have the homework in here, the homework assignment, a video, and some resources on how to submit a file as an assignment. That's excellent. And then I like that you give them 1 point for doing it right, doing it in the right orientation. I can't tell you how many times I end up doing this to study different, look at different people's notes and so forth. So that's really nice that you're giving them that point right there. And then end of the week, this is a fun picture you have. They certainly deserve to celebrate, right? You are recapping for them what they learned and what they're going to do next week. So all in all, I think you're doing a really great job. And I think math is probably one of the harder subjects to teach online. And I say that as somebody who teaches child development, right? And I don't have any children online to do it with. But I think the work that you have put into this is really impressive, and it's going to serve you well as you move forward. I think your students are really going to appreciate the hard work that's gone into this. So I look really forward to seeing weeks 3 and 4. Keep it strong. Keep going with the hard work you've been putting in, and you're almost done. You almost get to be a pineapple with sunglasses and celebrate yourself. So see you later.